All right, in this example, we're given two functions in tabular form, and we want to evaluate these different compositions of the functions. All right, so we're just going to break it down, take it one step at a time. So I'm taking f of g of 3. All right, so I'm just going to leave f alone, but I'm going to evaluate g of 3 first. So g of 3 means I want the value of g when x is 3. So I'm going to look at x equals 3 and then go over to the g value. All right, so that's 1. So really I just want f of 1, and then, so that is the value of f when x is 1. And then, so I'm going to choose an x of 1, and I'm just going to look at the x, or f of x value. So that's 2. Okay, so f of g of 3 is 2. And I'm just going to do a similar thing for each one of those. Now I'm going to erase my markings here so that we don't get confused when we go to the next thing here. So, all right, so I want f of g of minus 1. So let's evaluate g of minus 1. So when x is minus 1, g of x is 3. Okay, so now I just need f of 3. All right, so when x is 3, f is a minus 1. All right, that's it. That's all there is to it. So let's keep going. Now we've flip-flopped here the f and the g, right? Now we're taking g of f of 2. All right, so I'm going to work from the inside out. I'm going to find f of 2. So when x is 2, f of 2 is 3. All right, and now I'm going to find g of 3. All right, so when x is 3, g is equal to 1. All right, g of f of 0. So let's first of all evaluate f of 0. When x is 0, f of x is also 0. So then I can look up g of 0 is negative 1. All right, now we have a composition of f with itself, but again, just break it down, take it one step at a time. Let's evaluate f of 1. We're going to start from the inside and work out. F of 1 means when x is 1, f of 1 is 2, and then we have to evaluate f of 2. So when x is 2, then f of x is 3. And here we're composing g with itself, so let's work from the inside out. G of 3, so when x is 3, g is 1, and then we just need to evaluate g of 1. So when x is 1, g is 2. All right, so g of 3 is 2. All right, easy peasy, right? So you just have to kind of take it step by step, work slowly and carefully, and you'll get it. All right, I'll meet you in the next video for the final example.